Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is rapidly becoming one of the most sought-after exotic fruits in global markets, prized for its vibrant color, unique flavor, and impressive health benefits. Whether you're a seasoned farmer seeking to diversify your crops or an entrepreneur interested in tapping into the agricultural sector, dragon fruit farming presents an exciting opportunity. Today, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about dragon fruit cultivation, from planting to harvesting, and share powerful insights to help you succeed with SMART-AGRI Hub. Let's start by understanding what makes dragon fruit so special. Native to Central and South America, but widely grown in Southeast Asia and beyond, dragon fruit belongs to the cactus family. Its striking appearance, crunchy texture, and subtly sweet taste make it a favorite among consumers. Not only is it delicious, but dragon fruit is also packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, making it a superfood in the eyes of health-conscious buyers. Now, before you jump into dragon fruit farming, it's important to select the right variety for your climate and market. There are three main types: Hylocereus undatus with white flesh and pink skin, Hylocereus costeracensis with red flesh and pink skin, and Hylocereus megalanthus with white flesh and yellow skin. White-fleshed varieties tend to be the most widely cultivated due to their adaptability and high yield, but red-fleshed types are increasingly popular for their color and flavor. Check local demand and climate suitability before making your choice. Next, let's talk about site selection and soil preparation. Dragon fruit thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, preferring temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. Well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH level of 6 to 7 is ideal. Avoid waterlogged areas, as excess moisture can cause root rot and stunt growth. Start by clearing the land of weeds and debris, and then plow to loosen the soil. Incorporate well-rotted manure or compost to enrich the soil and ensure good drainage. Propagation is usually done through stem cuttings, which is faster and more reliable than planting seeds. Select healthy, mature stems around 30 to 50 centimeters long. Allow the cuttings to dry for a few days to prevent rotting, then plant them vertically in the prepared soil, burying about 1/3 of the cutting. Space the plants approximately 2 meters apart to allow for adequate growth and airflow. Dragon fruit plants need support to thrive as they are climbing cacti. Install trellises or vertical posts for each plant. Concrete or wooden posts about 1.5 to 2 meters tall work well. Tie the stems loosely to the support, guiding them as they grow. This not only improves sunlight exposure, but also facilitates easy harvesting and disease management. Watering is crucial, especially during the establishment phase. Dragon fruit plants require moderate watering, generally once or twice a week, depending on rainfall and soil moisture. Overwatering should be avoided, as it can lead to root diseases. Drip irrigation is highly recommended, as it ensures consistent moisture without flooding the roots. Fertilization plays a key role in boosting growth and fruit yield. Apply a balanced fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium every 2 to 3 months. Organic amendments such as compost, farmyard manure, or bone meal can further enhance soil fertility and plant health. During the flowering and fruiting stage, supplement with potassium-rich fertilizers to encourage robust fruit development. Pruning is another vital aspect of dragon fruit farming. Regularly remove damaged, diseased, or overcrowded stems to promote healthy growth. Pruning not only improves air circulation, but also helps the plant focus its energy on fruit production. After pruning, apply a fungicide to the cut ends to prevent infections. Let's delve into pest and disease management. Dragon fruit is relatively hardy, but it can be affected by fungal diseases like stem rot and anthracnose, as well as pests like mealybugs, aphids, and fruit flies. Practice good farm hygiene by removing decaying plant material and weeds. Use organic or chemical pesticides judiciously, and always follow recommended guidelines. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, such as introducing beneficial insects, using pheromone traps, and promoting biodiversity, can greatly reduce the need for chemical interventions. Flowering typically begins 6 to 8 months after planting. Dragon fruit blooms at night with large, fragrant flowers that last only a single evening. While the plants are self-pollinating, hand pollination can help increase fruit set and yield. Use a soft brush to transfer pollen from one flower to another in the early hours of the night. Fruits are ready for harvest about 30 to 35 days after flowering. They should be brightly colored and slightly soft to the touch. Harvesting is best done in the early morning to preserve freshness and prevent sun damage. Use sharp, sterilized tools to detach the fruit from the stem, taking care not to injure the plant. After harvesting, handle the fruits gently to avoid bruising. Wash them thoroughly, sort by size and quality, and pack in ventilated boxes to prevent spoilage during transportation. Dragon fruit has a good shelf life, but refrigeration can further extend its freshness. Market your dragon fruit through multiple channels for maximum profit. Local fruit markets, restaurants, supermarkets, and online platforms offer valuable sales opportunities. Branding and attractive packaging can make your products stand out. Promote the fruit's health benefits, rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, to appeal to health-conscious consumers. Consider value-added products like dragon fruit jam, juice, and dried slices to diversify your income. SMART-AGRI Hub provides farmers with cutting-edge resources and support for dragon fruit farming. From soil testing and crop management advice to access to premium seeds and digital marketplaces, SMART-AGRI Hub empowers you to optimize every aspect of your farm. Leveraging technology for precision agriculture, real-time monitoring, and data-driven decisions can help you boost yields, minimize losses, and maximize profits. Let's summarize the key steps for successful dragon fruit farming. First, choose the right variety and prepare your site with well-drained soil and proper supports. Use healthy stem cuttings for propagation and install trellises for climbing. Ensure moderate watering, regular fertilization, and strategic pruning to encourage vigorous growth. Protect your crop from pests and diseases using integrated management practices. Harvest at peak ripeness and handle the fruit carefully to preserve quality. Finally, market your dragon fruit effectively and explore value-added products to increase revenue. Dragon fruit farming combines sustainability, profitability, and innovation. With rising demand and the support of advanced platforms like SMART-AGRI Hub, now is the perfect time to start your journey. Whether you have a small plot or a large commercial farm, dragon fruit offers immense potential for growth and success. Embrace best practices, stay updated on market trends, and harness technology to achieve your goals. The future of farming is smart, and the future of fruit is dragon fruit. Thank you for joining us to explore the world of dragon fruit farming. If you found this information helpful, be sure to share it with fellow growers and subscribe for more expert tips from SMART-AGRI Hub. Your success in agriculture starts with the right knowledge, and we're here to help you every step of the way.